Watch rare ore become jet engine blades in 4 stages. Stage 1. Raw titanium ore emerges from deep earth mining operations.
These silver-blue deposits represent a significant advance in our titanium extraction process here at the facility.
Stage 2. Ore transforms into purified titanium through advanced smelting.
Here at Novatek factory, we focus on the crystalline depth of the titanium sponge as it emerges from the chamber.
We're maintaining the flow rate. Are the levels good?
Yes, purity is exactly where it should be.
Here at Novatek factory, we focus on the crystalline depth of the titanium sponge as it emerges from the chamber.
Sample sealed. Titanium_sample_001 confirmed.
Confirmed, Doctor. Logging the batch. The result of the vacuum arc remelting process.
Stage 3. Titanium undergoes precision forging and CNC machining.
Temperature holding steady at 950.
Recorded, Master.
smooth retraction reveals the forged billet 001. Novatek Factory continues to set the standard for precision titanium shaping.
Stage 4. Precision blades ready for jet engine propulsion systems.
The surface deviation is within tolerance on the 5th axis.
Good. Let's complete the scan and generate the Novatek report.
We have a slight deviation at grid reference 4. Okay.
Rerunning the analysis on that section now. All green zones confirmed on the surface analysis. The blade geometry is perfect.
Very good. The client will be pleased with this run.
As you can see, the X-ray is highlighting the internal structure here.
Yes, the tomography confirms structural integrity.
Perfect internal structure confirmed on the blade.
Acknowledged. The analysis is complete.
The final inspection confirms the value designation. Another perfect blade from the Novatek factory.
Rare order jet engine blades in 480 seconds, Albo complete.